In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change or convert AVIF image file to PNG or JPEG. So you can see I have here an image, and this image is an AVIF file type, but I can't use it on some platforms, and therefore I'll wish to go ahead and convert it to JPEG or PNG. To do so, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now first to identify the format or the file type of your image, if you hover over it here, you'll see the image type there. You can see this is an AVIF file. To convert it, we shall use an online tool, and this is onlineconvert.com. Just head over to this website, and once you are here, choose this option called image converter. If you go ahead and click on it, now you will have a variety of options you can choose from. For instance, you can choose a GIF, you can choose BMP, you can choose PNG. I like to go ahead and choose PNG. So for your case, go ahead and choose any type or any format that you wish your file to be in. You can see we even have JPEG here, but for my case, I want PNG. So I'll go ahead and click on PNG, and then I'll have just drop my image here. So I'll go ahead and then get my image, just drag and drop it here, and it will go ahead and process the image. You can see the format of the image. Once you're done, go ahead and click on start, and this will begin the conversion process. And this is the final stage now. You can see the image is now in a PNG format. To download it, just go ahead and click on download, and you'll receive your image straight to your computer, the same image with the same quality, but this time around in form of a PNG. And now here it is. If I go ahead and click on it or hover over it, you can see now it is no longer a VIF file, but now a PNG file. So that's how you can convert any type of image to any format that you wish. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.